Mwanjo muregeria soroboti ronde Obomo Bw'Echinse NIGO bono weterase OMORIKI OMONENE bw'Ekiamekio Antonio Guterres omorai bw'ense ya Kenya William Ruto NIGO baikirana ase OMOYEGA bw'okobeka rigana ry'omosingi ase okogendera Chiabisi chinya ekyo chikwagachwa haiga ase ense ya Kenya ase ensemo ya Gigiri wikirana ase OMOYEGA oyo nabarai bande gati abo mwaziri omonene ase bono batebire getambo kirekigani giokoenekia ense ya Kenya yabera omobwata Kongo Obomo Bw'Echinse na koenekio kubwatira n'echinse chinde wikirania amagendero ao kurensi ya Kenya mubwatani bw'ekiombe kyo mwaka bweri bwa muchimi kianda 50 na isato ase bono batebire ikigani gitambukiro gochigo konya ensi ya Kenya eyo tayari bwate Chiabisi chekiombe kya UNEP ikiombe kya UN Habitat negati Chiabisi chinde wetania 52 chia Obomo Bw'Echinse.
In just 2 years, this ground will host world leaders confronting the most pressing issues of our time. They will gather in a new amphitheater carved into African soil and surrounded by the Kenyan forest. It will anchor a modern conference complex with capacity for 9,000 people, welcoming delegates, civil society, and the public. And all of this comes at a time of transformation for our organization. As we mark the 80th anniversary of the United Nations, we are reimagining how we work, how we deliver, how we lead. And we do so recognizing the role of this great continent. Africa is a driver of solutions, a source of innovation, and a voice of moral clarity in our shared pursuit of peace and security, sustainable development, and human rights.
This is a very important occasion for us. We are truly grateful to the Secretary General and the UN family and the member states for making this project a success. And we look forward to partnering with the UN going into the future and for all the things that we do together, thanking the Secretary General for his advocacy, for his voice on matters that affect the Global South, from the international financial architecture. And I have had occasion to share this with the Secretary General that the Global South is depending on him to use his voice to advocate, not just for the reform of the international financial architecture, but to also support the new Africa financial